Hello, today we'll be comparing Cuisinart coffee maker versus Ninja 12 cup programmable coffee brewer. Be sure to watch the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products in the description. Brewing options: Ninja is better, brew sizes: Ninja is better, water reservoir: Ninja is winner, brew strength control is time, care brewing is time, single serve brewing Cuisinart is better, built-in milk frozen is time, programmable features is time, dimensions Ninja is better, ease of cleaning Ninja is better, price is time, special features Ninja is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Ninja 12 cup programmable coffee brewer. The link to buy this in the video description.